Welcome to today's top-of-the-table encounter. Both sides are household names, both expect to win the game, but who's going to drop the points?
Both managers have picked strong lineups today, no real surprises.
It's a 4-2-3-1 formation, an attacking version of the 4-5-1, with three forward midfielders supporting the lone striker.
And here is the away team formation.
And the match kicks off. McAllister. This is Sterling with a great run. He misjudged the pass. Maguire tackles. Fancies his chances from here. Good save. It was heading goalwards. A misplaced pass. Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. Will we see a goal? And that's how it's done.
He struck at such an important time here to put his team in front. Fantastic goal.
A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. Robertson. This player's taking charge and moving down the flanks. Richarlison. McAllister. Oh, that's a poor pass. And the referee calls play back for offside. Oh, he's been called back. He's just offside. He's launched the ball forward. Played short. Great dribbling. Can he put it away? Canate with the tackle. They've misplaced a lot of their passes. Cody Gakpo. He's running at the opposition. Caught by the keeper. He's headed the ball forward. Oh, that pass could have been better. Oh, he can't have any complaints there. It's a yellow card. Throw taken long. A careless pass there. A slender 1-0 margin. One team managed to get ahead, but their opponents will surely mount to fight back in the second half. They're winning at the halfway stage. Can they see out the rest of the game? Good interception. And he's stayed onside. And Salah scores.
Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good.
That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. Maguire. He's got the ball and is in full sprint. This is a physical game, lots of tackles being made. That's well out by the defence. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. The match is all tied, but they're on the front foot. He took his chance. He's scored a brace. Let's see that one again. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Robertson. A misplaced pass. Szoboszlai with the ball. Richarlison with the dribble. Will he go for glory? The shot well blocked there. Poor attempt to win the ball. He's racing ahead with the ball. Is this a goal? Szczesny to the rescue.
And they've equalised. It finally found the back of the net with a hint of good luck off the woodwork. The player won't mind though as he grabs a goal for his team.
Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.
Still level here. It might take a moment of brilliance to separate these two teams.
Richarlison won the ball.
Well cut out.
Perfectly executed.
Oh, that's great determination.
And he's won it back for his team. Oh, that's a poor pass. The final whistle. No winners today, but it was an end-to-end 2-2 draw. Well, no arguments there. A great performance from a player who really is on top form.